Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable comments on your YouTube short. So first of all you need to open YouTube Studio app on your phone. Then here we just need to click on content. Then here you will see the short section. So just click on view all in order to see all of your shorts. Now select the short where you want to enable the comments. I want to enable comment on this short, so I'll just click on it. Then here click on this pencil icon button. And now here you have the option for audience, so here we just need to click, and now here you will have two options. If you set this on yes, it's made for kids, so by YouTube law your YouTube comments will be disabled. Now if your video is not made for kids, you can just select the second option and just back. Then here you will see this more option section, so we just need to open this as well and make sure that the comments is make sure turned on. So we need to click on, then just back and click on save. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can enable comments on your YouTube shorts. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.